Future of farming is not chemical, it's circular. Waste to gold, meet Vermi Gold, the organic revolution boosting crop, farm, and plant yield. I am Muhammad Saeed, and our final year project topic is leveraging waste for sustainability. Economical agriculture solution. And solution is what? Solution is Vermi Gold, a sustainable solution to the most pressing problem in today's agriculture. The overuse of chemical fertilizers. The overuse of chemical fertilizers not only degraded our soil health, but also harm our ecosystem. Our goal and objective was simple but impactful to make nutrient-rich organic fertilizer brand, to educate community, and to measure agronomic performances. We will make vermicompost name as a Vermi Gold and focus to make it market ready. Lab tests show its superiority by showing different nutrient content values like pH of 7.44%, 9.58% of organic matter. We did not just make compost, we built brand from eco-friendly packaging to trademark registration with IPO Pakistan. Vermi Gold is ready to transform agriculture and farming. My name is Shehzad Khan and Vermi Gold Susap lies it in the market strategy.
Had Whole Corner then launched targeted campaign on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok along with a dedicated website for online orders.
Multiple sessions in the target market to aware people about long-term benefit of vermicompost. Our investment analysis show the market capability and financial analysis revealed that the Vermi Board has a capability to generate around 10.56 million revenue by year 5 along with 80% internal rate of return. Bia is to scale it nationwide because sustainability should not be luxury. It's every farmer right. Thank you so.